2025 Spyder RS. Had to put the roof up in under 2 minutes. Pop the rear hatch. Come around. Let's see if we can do this fast here. Come right here. Pull this up. Red tab down. Tongues in the grooves. Come under here. Throw the latch. Unfold the tent. Unfold the tent. Stick in the hole. One over there. One right there. Great. One over here. Hook this loop just like that. And then come over here. Pull up on the lever. Hook that. Pull it down. Pull that back. Push this down. Pull this up. Slide it in. Click. Pull this up. Pull that back. Slide it in. Click. Done. All right. Time. Okay. Let's just say that it was really going to rain. So, and you pull over. This is the sunshade mode, so we can come through here. Put your hand in the cabin. So you pull this up. This tongue pops in right there. And then pull this guy. This little tongue boss clicks in right there. Now we're gonna go access the rear little screen. So depending where you store this, you'll have it right here. Okay. I like just to unfold this like this. So if you're gonna wash your car, the only time I really put this on is just to wash the car. So tongue in the groove right there. Click on the bar just like that. Get your first snap of the 3. Okay, great. Come around. Cool. Snap that on right there. Open the passenger door. Pull it down. Click on there. Put the tongue in the groove. Cool. And then in your last snap, just like that, close your door. Close the hatch. Push it down. Pull this back. Slip it in. Push it down. Come right here. Tongue in. Push it down. Done. And now you can go and put your windows up. Great. And now you are rainproof at this point. So that's how you put the roof up. Let's say we magically get some sun right now. So what we'll do, okay, we'll do this. Oh, I lied. So before you can take this out, you have to pop this first. Pop that first. Now you can open the rear hatch. Without those popped, you can't open the rear hatch. You also have to take these out first too. Fold it back right there, just like that. Come around here. Tuck your little tongue in. Pull the hatch up. Pull this up. Pop that off. Clip, clip, clip. Come around, open your passenger door. Okay, and now we're gonna go pop this guy off. Cool. This is glass. Fold in half. Whatever you want to do. Throw it in here. Cool. Velcro it shut. All right, the sun's out. Okay, unclip this. Push that back down. Unhook this. Now we're gonna go fold it like a tent. You have to fold it like a tent, okay? So keep folding, keep folding, keep folding. There's a ridge right here that all this is gonna fall into, okay? Come underneath, push the red, and pull the black. Pull this off. Flip it over, put the latch down. Now you can put this right here. The goal here is to make sure that your little metal clip isn't touching the paint, which it's not. Over here, nothing's touching the paint. I don't know why Throttle House had their shit over this. That's kind of ridiculous.
Okay. James, I believe you were responsible for this side. Yeah, you screwed that up.
It's a dumb roof mechanism.
You screwed that up.
It's a dumb roof mechanism. Like, yeah, it gives you the option of having a bikini top.
Let's just do the thing.
God.
It's kind of sensationalism. Push that down, just like that. Clip. Clip. And then, oh, key. All right, windows down. And that is how you top up and top down a Spyder RS. Hey guys, thanks for watching today. If you want a nice black 100% cotton t-shirt in either black or white, you can head over to my clothing store, link below. It's through a company called Fourth Wall. To be honest, I'm only selling things I don't want to wear myself, which include just plain black and white t-shirts, which you can see right here. If you want to be a really OG gangsta supporter, you can get some DasCayman swagoo. Alternatively, if you want to support the channel with my Patreon, we love that as well. Entry tier gets your name advertised and a press support shout out in each video. And other tiers even go up to private one-on-one phone calls giving advice related to either cars, life, or advancing your career. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.